One of the most common questions we receive is, how much does drone diagnosis cost? And honestly, that's a very important question. But drone repair is very different from car or motorcycle repair. With vehicles on the road, many problems can be isolated. A tire issue is just a tire issue. Brake pads can simply be replaced. But drones operate in the air where every component must work together in harmony. A motor problem may not actually be just a motor problem. The real issue could involve the ESC, calibration, sensors, flight controller, or even hidden damage from a previous crash. That's why proper diagnosis is holistic. We don't just inspect one part. We evaluate the entire flight system to ensure the drone is truly safe and stable to fly. The repair process itself is simple, and there are 3 ways to begin the diagnosis process. It always starts with a mandatory diagnostic checkup of your drone. This allows us to determine whether the visible damaged parts are the only issues or if there are hidden problems that could later cause another crash. The first option is to bring the drone directly to our shop or have someone bring it in for inspection and testing. The second option is to send it to us using Lalamove, LBC, or another courier service. The charge for a physical checkup costs 500 pesos, and if both options are still inconvenient, we also offer an online diagnostic option. This we can do for free. This helps give you a more accurate estimate first, so you can decide whether you'd like to proceed with the repair while saving time and unnecessary shipping costs. To get started, simply visit www.dronerepair.ph/book-a-repair.